how to install new taillights on your MK7.5 GTI. We're installing the same ones. So these are
they're cherry red.
These are cherry red, and if you back up and look at these ones, oh, you can see it like this.
Much better.
Yeah, no more water. So you have to come here, and there's these adapters, because it won't fit. So the method is to have nails, which I don't have, but you clip this red thing out, and then this should you push that little brown tab down.
Hold on, I don't think it's in focus. Oh, there we go.
You push the little brown tab down and it should just come out. There you go. That's literally how you plug and play them. Like, that's it. I'm not doing the turn signals because I don't have the stuff for them, but this is for the turn signals. And then they send you this to wire for the turn signals, so they're all sequential. We're not doing that today, so we're not going to worry about that yellow wire. So pretty much what you do, I believe these are two 10 mils, so we're going to test that they actually are 10 mils. It's an 8. An 8. 10. Oh, you set it to loose, actually. Hold on. That was barely even on there. I don't think they send you new screws and stuff, so keep this. It's like one piece. It's a nut and a washer. So keep that, don't lose it. And then don't lose that one either. And then this whole thing should just come out. Bloop. And then make sure you don't break anything. One ball. Junk. That's what you get for buying used shit. Sure?
Yep.
Look at that. Line it up with the holes. Oh,
that was hard?
Yeah. And then you double check.
Well, it'll go in once you tighten it in.
Down.
Yeah.
I'm not really happy with the fitment though.
Well, once you push it in, it'll go in. The red looks good.
Make sure it works before we close this side. Oh yeah.
Like push in while you...
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Make sure they're nice and snug. And then now...
Hey, you need the adapter.
Yeah.
So you have to take this piece off?
Yeah, I believe. So this should go...
And then
just like that.
Take that
and
one
then
off.
you're taking this off. So pinch up here.
Pinch those two clips, yeah.
Unclip that one, and then you're gonna take old one out and leave. You're gonna plug this in. Make sure it's the right one. Boom. So that's that. Make
Boom.
sure all your stuff is in. Your red pin is down. And then we're gonna turn the car on and test it before you put it all away. Wow, that looks so much better.
Go.
And then you just kind of like, you're gonna want to tuck this up here somewhere.
You just gotta tuck it in there somewhere.
Doesn't really matter because, yeah, you just don't want this getting in the way of anything. So, that's fine. And then since that's on, you You put it back in like this.
Close her up.
And then hit it. And then it's done. That side's done. This is the hardest side. This is way...
No, this is harder, I
No,
feel.
this is easier. It's literally one thing. I can't record it and grab it at the same time. So another red pin. You're gonna pull it out. And then this little brown tabby. Disconnect. This is part of your car. This is the tail light. Oh, white piece. This is the only thing holding on. You're just gonna spin it counterclockwise, and literally your entire tail light will come out. This requires some finesse. And take the whole thing out. And then take your tail light out. One side out. Do the same thing, pinch. Oh, fuck, this is so hard.
Pinch and pull. Yeah.
So that's out. And you're gonna swap this one in. This. Click. And then what you're going to do, peel the plastic back a little bit. So it gives you room, but you don't want to smudge it.
Wow. Beautiful.
Fold it in like this. And then you're gonna thread this guy in there. So it kind of sits. And then you put your thing in. Make sure you have someone holding the light for you, because it's going to be hard to see/thread it. And then, yeah, that's that. And then what you're going to do next is plug your thing back in. Oh, just like that. You're going to push your little red thing in. It's all good and connected, and then let it hanging out for a little bit, and we're going to test it. Oh yeah, that's so much better.
Turning signal? Yep.
I bought these from VLAN. These are the Euro style taillights for the 7.5. I think these also work for 7. That's why it has the other connection. So whichever one you have, you can use it. Once the car's done, we're going to show you guys, but the link will be in the description if you guys want to check these out.
Yay!
Fitment, pretty good. Installation, pretty good. The only thing is that they're kind of scratched right here, like on the lens. But I'm sure like some red marker, like, you know what I mean, like a red marker, just go over the top of it. Go away. So if you guys want to check out the link for the lights, I'll have it in the description. If you guys want to check them out, go buy them, see if you like them. I like them, they look really good. So that'll be it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Peace out, subscribe, like, follow, comment.